Hi guys, in this video we are going to be learning how to dodge and burn image in Adobe Photoshop. Not just dodge and burn, but using brightness and contrast adjustment layer. This is Twisted Creative. Alaric is my name. If it's your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, not only by hitting that subscribe button, also ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our next video. Without wasting much time, let's jump into it. This is the image we are going to be using, and what we are going to do, the first thing we are going to do is, first of all, create adjustment layer, which is brightness and contrast. So we are going to hit the adjustment layer button and then select brightness and contrast. So here we are. We are not going to use anything. We are not going to make any adjustment here. We'll close this panel, and we have to select inverse here. First of all, change the blend mode to multiply. Then have to rename this to burn. So the next thing we are going to be doing, but we have to select this area and the right side of the adjustment layer and invert with Ctrl I to invert. As you can see, the image has normalized. Then the next thing we are going to be doing is create another adjustment layer, which is brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Then we'll close up this panel and make selection of the right side of the adjustment layer and invert. Before we invert, let's change the adjustment. Let's change the blend mode to screen. Then after changing the blend mode, we can use our Ctrl I to invert. Then we can still rename this layer to be dodge. So on the next thing we are going to be doing is to put them into a group, which is select both of them and use Ctrl G to group them up. Then this group, we are going to be renaming this group to dodge and burn. So here we are. And the next step we are going to be taking is to select the burn layer and start painting on the image. Then have to grab your brush tool and then check and make sure the foreground must be white and the background must be black before you start painting. So have to zoom in and starting from the forehead, have to paint in and make sure your opacity and your flow is not too high. The percentage is not too high. So I'm leaving it at 10, opacity at 10 and the flow at 10. So have to start painting. So have to start painting, and this area we are painting now is what we call burning. So here we go. As you can see, like the forehead now, we've darkened some area, which is burned some area. Let's see the before and after. So this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. As you can see, job has been done here. Great job. So we have to reduce the size of our brush and make sure it suits the area we are working on. So we have to continue clicking. Then move to this area. So as you can see, it's working, and have to zoom in and reduce the size of the brush and move around like this. You must follow the shape, It's artistic, it's not just what you just paint. You have to follow up the shape of the face, the shape of the nose, the shape of the, in short, just follow the shape. It's artistical. Like underneath here, I have to darken it a little, then check the before and after. So I have to make a Y shape here. And make sure we let go the bright areas for the next layer. So have to take it this way to make the nose stand out. So have it this way. So as you can see, it's going. Then I have to bring down this part a bit. You can see as I'm making the curve, I have to make curve, U curve here. One thing about this adjustment layer, we are working non-destructively because you can see go and add brightness or reduce brightness or add contrast and make it pop. So underneath here, the lip, I'm going to darken it up and push the lip forward. So here is going. As you can see, then have to go here, and this other side is very dark, to darken it up. And this place is dark also. In this area. So the next thing we are going to be doing is for us to go to the dodge layer and then add some brightness to it. So we have to increase the size of our brush and drag it all the way down. Follow the nose, drag it like 6 times we do. 6 times will be enough. Then reduce the size a little and continue to make it sharper. Then we'll go to the nose area here, this bright area, and make it shine a little. Then this area, then this area, you can see shine it up a little. Then this here, then a little here. Here also, and check the other side. So we have to make all this place stand out. That's why you're seeing all those bright and dark areas. Have to make the image pop and look like 3D image. So I have to check between the nose. I have to add a little stroke there. So let's check the before and after. And to see that job has been done. All right, let's go. And let's add a little shine here. Here also. Then this area. this area also, and here. So as you can see, if we open this group and disable the group, you see the before and this is after. Then if you say you don't like it this way, maybe you feel the stuff you applied is too much, you can still go ahead and click, or it's not enough. Let's say double click here and you can see the property panel and you see the adjustment. You can make adjustments. Like if you take a look at the nose here, you notice the change. Notice the change. See the shine. It's coming up and down. See the shine coming up and down. So you can change to however you want it. Then the other layer, we can see double click here and say the dark side. Let's say remove contrast. It can be darkened and it can be lightened like this. Can be darkened and it can be lightened. That is non-destructive way of working. So the next thing we are going to be doing, you can see say maybe this thing is this application is too much. What we apply to this image is too much. You can go to the opacity of the bond controller and reduce the opacity to like 70 or thereabouts. You can see the image is very fine now. As you can see, it has stand out as a 3D image. As you can see, the nose, everything is well pulled out, as you can see. So this is a very nice way and a simple way to dodge and burn image. If you find this video interesting and helpful, please click that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not done that before, and also ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Creative people will keep on creating. Just stay creative. See you in the next video. Bye.